When you're about to buy your first pair, you must go to a dance store. Do not buy your Pointe shoes online. Pointe shoe sizing is incredibly different and gets very, very odd and does not correlate to street shoes in any way, shape, or form. So you need to always go get fit by a professional fitter at a dance store. Make sure you're not just going, okay, 2.5 sizes bigger, 2.5 sizes smaller, click. You have to go in person because it's so particular and so many little details could be wrong that could then mess up your dancing. Make sure you go get fit in person at a dance store. So many people don't think about this, but oftentimes when we get fit for Pointe shoes, we are not in our most accurate place because when your feet warm up, they sometimes swell and they sometimes shrink. I am a shrinker. When my feet are cold, they are bigger, and when I warm them up doing bar or tendus or something, they get smaller. So for me, when I get fit for Pointe shoes, I like to make sure I'm fully warm because I know my foot is actually going to be smaller, and you do not want a shoe that is way too big. Trust me on that one. Or too small, quite frankly. So when you go to the store, I would go make sure you've set up your fitting. First of all, some stores do require you to call ahead of time and make an appointment because especially a first Pointe shoe fitting can last anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. It can be a longer process. Some stores are very experienced and take 20 minutes. Sometimes it can take up to an hour. So make sure you've called ahead to make an appointment. Once you've done that, get there ahead of time because we need to warm up our feet. So get there 10-15 minutes early, do some tendus, do some rolling through your feet, roll them out with a ball. Make sure they're warm so we get the most accurate fit possible. Otherwise, you might not be so perfect and things can happen later. I see it all the time with students. They get to class and all of a sudden the shoes fit totally differently than they fit in the store, and that's because we weren't warm enough. So make sure you warm up for your fitting. When you go to your fitting, be prepared to try on as many different styles as possible. And I know if it's your first fitting, we don't have a lot of reference. We don't have a lot of how does that feel? You don't really know how it's supposed to feel. So when you're at your fitting, I know as a new dancer on Pointe, you really have no frame of reference as to how the shoe should fit. So be sure and actively talk to your fitter about exactly what you're feeling. It's pinching here, it's too tight here, I'm feeling pressure here. That way you can get the best possible shoe for your foot. And don't go in with any preconceived brand ideas. Make sure you're open to trying all different brands, especially for your foot shape. Oftentimes dancers will want a certain brand because their friend has it, but it's basically like trying to get a square peg in a round hole. It's just simply not the shoe for you. For example, for me, I need to go a little bit wider of a box. My feet are a little bit squarer and wider and not so tapered. Shoes that are too tapered make me sickle. No matter how pretty I think they are, it just doesn't look good. This is the box that I do well in. You can see it's tapered at the end, but we're still a little bit wider here. I wear Nicolai Stream Points. That's what I wear. I still wear them since Josephine Lee fit me in them.
See, this is why she's so good. One pair.
Yeah.
We didn't try, you should see off camera, she's got like a suitcase. One shoe.
Yes, I still wear them. I will link that video in a card if you want to see that process because it blew my mind because she's amazing. Be open to different brands. Be open to different styles because you might all of a sudden think, well,
nothing's fitting me.
And then you go in a completely different direction and there's your shoe. So don't go in with any preconceived brand ideas. Another thing to keep in mind is padding. Each and every time you go and get fit at a store, you need to bring the current padding you have or make sure you try your shoes on with padding. Again, we want the most accurate fit. If you go into the store with a different toe pad than you're wearing in class, it's going to fit totally differently. So go to the store, the fitter will have you try different toe pads. Again, make sure you are vocal. Make sure you say, I don't like this, or, oh, I feel a little pinching here. Having fit people before, when someone says,
I don't know,
or
it's okay,
or not helpful, right? Not helpful at all. You've got to be as vocal as you can with your fitter. Even if you think it's weird, or even if you're like, I don't really know how to articulate this, but this is what I'm feeling, they're experienced enough to know what realm we're in. So they'll give you different types of padding and make sure you wear them at your fitting each and every time, especially if you're changing sizes or brands.